Maisawa Road is mostly rough and muddy when it rains, so better drive there with your off-the-road vehicle or best during summer. Alternatively, you can hike it for less than an hour from the Marilaki Highway. Hi Mom Cheese! So, we're here going to Treasure Mountain in Tanay, Rizal. And I'm here back riding in the tricycle. Alternatively, you can also reach it through public transportation via Kogyo. Take a van or jeepney going to Kogyo Gate 2 or Padilla. At Gate 2, take a jeepney bound for Sampaloc, Tanay via Marcos Highway. Get off at Sitio Maisawa, then hike or ride a tricycle from Nanay Mindos Parking. And another option is via Tanay route. Mapshi and Mapshi, we're here! Baby! Yeah! Tricycle kami. So welcome to Treasure Mountain here in Tanay, Rizal, Philippines. So we just paid our entrance. It's 150 per person, but Mama's entrance fee is only 120. Diba? And we get stamped for that. Babe, she is still free of charge. So our entrance fee is just for day tour, because basically we're just gonna chill here. We're not gonna do any other activity. So, but they're offering a lot of stuff here. I'm gonna show you on your screen. And this one, there's a rope course, there's barrel bath, transformations, falls. There's a lot of activities that you can do. But we're gonna check out the pavilion first and the view, the wonderful, beautiful view where the clouds meet the mountains. Sea of clouds. Rizal version. Diba? So, let's check it out, Mamshi! We brought some snacks for small appetites so we don't have to buy. But they also offer snacks and rice meals in the restaurant by the entrance. Not super cheap though, but since you're on top of the mountain, then it pays off the transportation cost. Flowers, cosmos, super nice. It's only here in Tanay. It's just 1 hour away from Manila, or Metro Manila, specifically from our place in Apiary. Treasure Mountain is indeed the perfect place to see the magnificent view of the Sierra Madre range of mountains. The walking baby, the popshi. Wow!
Kita 1 year old hiking.
Hiking to baby.
1 year old.
Here's a Treasure Mountain in Tanay, Rizal. Bebe! Momshi! So we finally arrived here in the pavilion. This is the highest point here in Treasure Mountain in Tanay, Rizal. So as you can see here, they have beds for rent. So it is 500 pesos per night. So if you want to have additional mattress and blankets, additional 200 pesos. For campers, only in the pavilion has the access to electricity. So better pitch your tent near this area. If you prefer to stay overnight, you also have to pay an entrance fee of 200 pesos, plus the following rates, depends on what you choose. Hi, Momshies! Look at this, buhay-buhay pose. Please take photos at your own risk. So I'm risking my one. Thousands and millions of people. Let's go check out the swimming pool. It is so picturesque that makes it the best place for your prenup photo shoot. Babesy! Goyan! Ang sarap, Momshi. So, may mga duyan dito at the back of the obstacle course. So, ayan lang yung obstacle course. Yung spider web. Ayan, andito yung mga duyan. It's a really good resting place. Diba? Chill lang. Bebe! So, Momshi, unfortunately, we won't be able to go to the waterfalls, to the Bosai Falls, because it's still 760 meters away from where we were a while ago. It's a little bit of hike going down and going up when we come back. And according to Kuya, we need a guide for that. So, we have to book it early. So, maybe next time. And the barrel bath is still under construction. Maybe 2 more months and it's gonna be available soon. So, look at this cottages here. So, these are the ones that you rent for overnight. Tingnan niyo, Momshi, ang gaganda niya. So, I'm gonna post the prices later on your screen. Diba? Ayun yung view mo. So, kung gusto mo na, you wanna chill a little bit, if you're stressed out, we can get away. I highly suggest this Treasure Mountain. It's just an hour away from Metro Manila. So this is the access point to the exclusive Tanay guest. Diba? Ang mga bahay-bahayan nila. Ito yung rate. They have rates here. Let me check. I'm gonna take a picture. And then meron pang mga cottages doon. Your choice, where do you want to stay? The swimming pool is located on a separate entrance. So you have to turn to the left before you reach the Treasure Mountain. And you have to pay a different entrance and cottages fee. Unfortunately, the ATV rides are still under maintenance. So that concludes our half-day tour here in Treasure Mountain in Tanay, Rizal. So we're just going to walk to our parking lot. It's not that far. Also, we wanted to save 150 pesos of tricycle ride. Ang ganda naman ng view nyo. So no need to rush. Just enjoy the view while you're walking. And it's only 4:30 p.m. So it's not that sunny anymore. It's just chilly. Presko lang while walking. HWW. On the way to the parking lot, we discovered this wonderful farm called the Apiary Mountain Camp and Farm, where we bought lots of fruits and vegetables for very affordable price. They also offer a pick and pay experience like a real farmer and some bee farm tour. So see you families on the next vlog. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächstes Mal. Tschüss!